In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade stocks or cryptocurrencies during extended hours using Robinhood on your computer. Extended hours trading lets you buy or sell securities before the regular market opens or after it closes, which can be beneficial if there's breaking news or you want to respond quickly to overnight market developments. Let's start by logging into your Robinhood account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock or cryptocurrency you want to trade. You can do this by typing the name or ticker symbol into the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the desired asset to open its detailed trading page. Next, take a moment to look at the price chart. Robinhood makes it easy to tell which prices occurred during normal trading hours and which took place during extended hours. In most cases, if the market supports extended hours trading for your chosen stock or cryptocurrency, you'll notice that the prices from pre-market before 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and after hours, after 4 p.m. Eastern Time, are shown in a slightly lighter color on the chart. This visual cue helps you distinguish between trades that happen during regular hours and those that happened before or after the standard trading session. Once you've reviewed the chart and decided you want to place a trade, click on the trade button located on the right side of your screen. Depending on whether you're looking to buy or sell, select either buy or sell. This will bring up the trading panel where you can customize your order. Now, this next step is very important for extended hours trading. Under the section labeled Time in Force, make sure you select Extended Hours. This tells Robinhood that you want your order to be eligible for execution outside the standard trading session. Without this step, your order will only be active during regular market hours. After that, enter the number of shares or the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy or sell. For all trades during extended hours, Robinhood requires that you use a limit order. That means you'll need to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. Limit orders help protect you from unpredictable price swings, which are more common during extended trading sessions due to lower liquidity. Once you've entered all your details and are confident everything is correct, click Review. Take a final look at your order summary, and if everything looks good, click Submit to place your order. And that's it. You've just learned how to place an extended hours trade on Robinhood using your computer. Whenever you're trading outside regular hours, always double check your limit prices, and remember that price movements can be more volatile. Happy trading and stay informed.